I have an interesting problem for you all. Find the sum of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 2 cube plus 1 over 2 to the 4 plus 1 over 2 to the 5 and so on. It continues is equal to what? So we just need to find out. So what is the logic we are going to apply here is we just put all these terms equal to x. X is equal to this whole thing. So I'm going to write that 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 2 cube plus 1 over 2 to the 4th plus 1 over 2 to the 5 plus and so on. It continues. Now the second step, what I'm going to do is very important, that we're going to multiply this whole term by half. Multiply this whole term, left hand side, right hand side as well, with half. Now what happens is, you will come to know, multiplying this with half, so it becomes half x, which is equal to half times half, so it becomes half squared. Is that right? 1 over 2 squared. Plus we have here, multiply again half, it becomes 1 over 2 cube. Plus here when you multiply, 1 over 2 to the 4th. Plus here 1 over 2 to the 5th. And so on. This becomes 1 over 2 to the 6th and so on. Now let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. So what we are going to do is subtract two equations. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So what do we get? When we subtract, this is 1. The coefficient of x is 1. So 1 minus half is obviously half. So half x is equal to, now you can see the similar terms here, 1 over 2 squared minus 1 over 2 squared, 1 over 2 cube minus 1 over 2 cube, 1 over 2 fourth minus 1 over 2 fourth, 1 over 2 fifths minus 1 over 2 fifths, and so on. It gets cancelled, so you are only left with half. So that is 1 over 2 x equals to half. Now we don't have any other terms, just cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we get x is equal to, send it this side, 2 over 2, and that's x is equal to 1. 2 over 2 is 1, and that's your answer.